What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to show you how I make money with affiliate marketing, but more specifically with high ticket affiliate marketing. So check this out. I have been promoting a high ticket product. The name is Free Accelerator, and this is my dashboard. As you can see on the screen, I have sent to this company 120 referrals. I have right now $90 in unpaid earnings, and if I go to payouts, you can see these are my latest payments. Now, more importantly, to show you my results, you know that to make money with affiliate marketing, we need to drive traffic to a link, your affiliate link. And if someone buys through that link, you can make a commission. And for Free Accelerator, these are my affiliate links. And I'm going to show you step by step what I'm doing to drive traffic to specifically this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. Now, let me show you. One of the most important things if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing is that you need to build your own 24/7 sales system. So what is that thing? Check this out. A 24/7 sales system or a sales funnel, it's a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And basically, you have an opt-in page, which is a capture page that you use to collect a name and an email. And then once you have that information, you can redirect those people to a main core offer. So I have been promoting high ticket products, and I'm going to show you two examples of products that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. Okay, and if the person who sees your affiliate offer buys from that link, you can make a commission in the front end. But people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why you need to capture the name and the email, because you need to build this nurturing sequence or email sequence in which you need to give valuable information to your email list. Also, you can send emails, and inside of the emails, you can put your own affiliate links for the main core offer. And also, you can put more affiliate links to promote supporting offers that are going to help your email list to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B, which is basically their goal. Now, I have this system because I'm building multiple passive income streams by utilizing affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you some of the products that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer, because one of the most important things is to build multiple passive income streams. Now, let me show you. So as you're seeing the screen, as you can see in the screen, this is a software. The name is Clickfunnels, and I use Clickfunnels to build landing pages or opt-in pages. Another name is capture page. So check this out. I'm going to show you right now a funnel that I have been using for a long time, and it's giving me good results. So basically, this is a done-for-you system that I downloaded from this high-ticket product. The name is Free Accelerator. So the creator of this training allows his affiliates to use his own funnels. Now, let me show you. I'm going to click on Edit Page so you can see the opt-in page. This funnel has 3 steps. It has the opt-in page, the ebook page, and the bridge page. And it's very simple, although you need to know that to collect emails, it's important to have good copywriting skills. So in this case, I have been using this funnel, and one of the most important thing of the opt-in page is the title or the hook. This is super critical. So finally, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And when people read this title, they are going to go here and, hey, I can download a free ebook. So if I click here, I'm going to get instant access. So when people click this button, this pop-up appears, and I can collect the name, the email, and the phone number when they write their information and when they click get instant access. So if they scroll down, they are going to find more information, a picture of the ebook, and also I put here my own photo because I want people to know that I'm promoting this training. So in this case, I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge, which is the love ticket, and is this training. Now check this out. So when people put their information, they will go to the second page in which I tell them that, hey, please check your email because I already sent to you the ebook. And the third step is that the bridge page. So they will get access to this page, and they are going to find here more information. Also, they are going to find a video, which is right over here. And I recorded this simple video in which I explain what are the steps they need to take if they want to learn the skills about how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And I'm explaining as well that if they click this button, they will be clicking my affiliate link because I'm an affiliate for the 72-hour challenge. And if they buy, I can make a commission. And if they buy through this button, which is my affiliate link, I'm going to send to them a free affiliate training. And if they scroll down, they're going to find more valuable information and also another button. And if they click, that is my affiliate link, which is exactly this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. Now, let's say that some people are going to buy from this page, but people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to capture the email. So once I have captured that information, Clickfunnels send that information to other software. The name is Getresponse, and I use this software for email marketing. And basically, I have here all my contacts. I have been using Getresponse for the email marketing, but more importantly, for the automation workflows or the email sequence. So these are nurturing sequences that people are going to start receiving these emails that I have wrote previously. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my information because I want people to know, like, and trust me because I'm giving them valuable information and my tactics and my strategies that I have learned after investing in multiple affiliate trainings. So check this out. When someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Accelerator, Getresponse is going to send these two emails. So the first one is a welcome message, and the second one is my own story. And in this email, inside of this email, the first email, they can download the free ebook. Then Getresponse is going to wait for 1 day, and then it's going to send the message number 2, which is another free training. It's going to wait for another day, and then it's going to send the message number 3, which is more free training. So I give him my email list, valuable information. And we need to add as more emails as we can inside of this automation workflow because we can promote here, for example, our links for our YouTube channel. So we can grow our YouTube channel. Here I'm promoting a YouTube video. Here I start to promote TubeBuddy, which is a software to do keyword research. Then I promote here the 72-hour challenge, which is the training that I just showed it to you. Then I promote the secrets of success. And as you can see, I have here a value email. And I'm going to add more emails to this email sequence because I don't have too many emails right now. But more importantly, you need to add as more emails as you can to promote multiple supporting offers. Now, as you can see, to build this entire 24/7 sales system, it takes time and effort. And I'm going to show you right now how you can basically copy and paste an affiliate business in which you don't have to build this entire nurturing sequences, opt-in page, and also you need to have a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email, because people are not going to put their information just because you put a headline, hey, write your best information here and I'm going to send you some updates. You need to give something away. And one of the best things that you can give away is a free course. Now, check this out. These are some of the base high ticket products in the Make Money Online niche. So this training, it calls Legendary Marketer. So this is the 15-day challenge in which people can learn how to start an online business with affiliate marketing from scratch. So this is a well-known product. This is a high ticket product. Other product that you can promote as well is Freedom Accelerator. This is another high quality training about affiliate marketing. So check this out. Here we have all this information. We have the 4 phases to freedom, in which you are going to learn exactly how Jonathan Montoya built his 7-figure affiliate business. And I have seen that they are like regularly updating, because this is accessing group coaching calls. Okay. So they are regularly updating this free training. Now, if you don't know how to build this entire ecosystem, you can utilize this software, funnelfreedom.io. So Jonathan Montoya created a done-for-you system inside of his own software, funnelfreedom.io, in which you can utilize this funnel, in which you can give away a free course. And the course is about how to start an affiliate marketing, but it's free. You're gonna start like creating content or on your own social media, that you have a free course, that you are starting your own journey about affiliate marketing. And if somebody wants access to a free course, you can give them the free access. And basically, what I'm doing is that I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page to collect emails. And then funnelfreedom.io is going to send an email with the link of the free course. So check this out, how anyone can start the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated business from home. And when people click this button, I want the free course, I want to take the free course. And when they write their name, their email, and if they want their phone number, that information is going to be stored inside of the software, and it's going to start sending emails. So the first email that is going to send is the access to all these modules. So I'm going to show you quickly, because I didn't have to create all this information. We can utilize this information as an affiliate from Jonathan Montoya. So they are going to have access to all these lessons, and when they scroll down and go below of the videos, they are going to find buttons. For example, this button where it says want to quit your 9-to-5 job faster, action 1, download your workbook and join the 72-hour challenge. And when people click this button, they will be clicking my affiliate link. Now I want you to watch over here, because when I put here the mouse, you can see that it appears my affiliate link right over there. And the way to promote multiple affiliate products and offers is super simple. We just need to click here on Funnel Freedom, and then we need to click on affiliate link settings. And the next step is to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of this page. And here we can promote the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer. So these are high quality products. Funnel Freedom, which is the software that you are seeing right now. Secrets of Success is the new training of Russell Brunson. System.io, which is a funnel builder. Repurpose.io, vidIQ, Bizla, InVideo, Udemy, Getresponse for email marketing. And we're promoting high quality products. We just need to copy and paste our affiliate links inside of this page, then drive traffic to the opt-in page that I just showed it to you. And once you start collecting emails, funnelfreedom.io is going to start sending emails to nurturing your own email list. And inside of the emails, people are going to find the affiliate links that of the products that I show it to you. So check this out. Workflow list. So this is the nurturing. This is the nurturing sequences. Nurturing sequence. And here we have already built the nurturing sequence. Right now we have 6 nurturing sequence of 60 days. I have right now 14 people enrolled that are going through this sequence, and these people are receiving my emails. And the emails, basically these are the emails, and I didn't have to write anything. I'm just utilizing this Done For You system to promote all of those products that I show it to you. Now, one important thing that I want to show you is that how these people are going to click my links, and I'm going to show you one of the landing pages to promote these products. So check this out. I'm going to click on, for example, this one. This is the landing page for Getresponse. So in one of the nurturing sequences, people are going to receive an email for example, how to make money with email marketing, and they are going to like read all the email or the newsletter, and there are going to be links inside of that email. And when people click that email about Getresponse, they will get access to this landing page. So let's see. I'm going to open again. So here we have. Okay, this is the page. So check this out. So they are going to click the link, and they are going to have access to this landing page. And they're going to watch this video about how Jonathan Montoya makes $1,000 per month with Getresponse. So here we are utilizing his leverage, his YouTube channel, to promote our affiliate links. So people are going to watch this lesson, and when they scroll down, and if they want to get access to Getresponse, they will click this button. And when they click this gold button, they will be clicking my affiliate link, because I put my affiliate link in the page, exactly in this page, Funnel Freedom. And that is how we can promote multiple offers, high quality, high ticket products and software with funnelfreedom.io. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you got value from this training. That being said, talk to you soon, and God bless.